Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 gaming coins by volume. We did Floki yesterday, so we're going to continue with Not, Ape, Gala, GMT, Super, Reef, NAKA, YGG, Saga, and then we'll end it with the Sandbox. And number 10, let's get straight into it. Notcoin against USD. Okay, so it's slowly dropping lower. Again, any noisy area? Yeah, around here. So again, my guess is we'll drop a little bit lower and then hopefully we'll see some sort of a strong rally up. Hopefully though, hopefully. But as it stands, yeah, doesn't really look that good to me. So, I will preach caution about going into a trade for Notcoin. There are no clear, high quality tradable chart patterns. If anything is down and call this a falling channel, sure. But where is this falling channel going to end? You see, that's the question that we have. So again, just guessing that it's around sub 0.006, 0.0055 maybe, around that area. So that is what we are looking for. Let's just put a horizontal ray. Okay, let's change this to green, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 0.0055 around this area. So watch out for that possibility of a strong bounce coming in. But if anything, I think it's still safer to wait for the strong bounce or retrace. You get in at a retrace before heading higher, because you just don't know how much lower things are going to go. If Bitcoin, right, and crypto as a whole goes on a bearish trend towards the downside, then Notcoin is going to go further than 0.0055. ApeCoin, Ape against BTC. Ape suddenly sprang up to life. Woohoo! But anything for us to work with for Ape? Nothing much. We're still largely under the skinny pink line against BTC. So the trend is still bearish. And this is not a clear reversal chart pattern yet. So it's probably going to take some months first before we see any potential reversal coming on for Ape. Against USD, we are also coming up to life towards the upside. Any signs of a reversal yet? Clear bullish? No, there's no clear bullish reversals yet. You can go to the, let's say, weekly, right? You'll see that there is buying pressure. Let's go to the monthly. You'll see that potentially this could be a bullish engulfing candlestick on the monthly. But again, it's still too early to tell because it's only the 11th of Sep. Another, 2 out of 3rd month yet to go. And yeah, we could just come all the way back down, right? Clear all these clusters of cells before potentially reversing. So there's just nothing much for Ape at this point of time. GALA against BTC. GALA games. How is GALA games? Still clearly under the skinny pink line. Trend is still bearish. Again, if you put a... Oh, look at this. Head and shoulders here. Left shoulder. Head. Small right shoulder. Bam! Down we go. How much lower? We don't know. It's not looking good to me. So as it stands, yeah, I will preach caution about going to GALA BTC against USD. Okay, we had a target over here, right? Based on this potential inverse head and shoulders, right? But yeah, no, we failed to maintain the bullish momentum, and we just came back down under the skinny pink line. So again, once you cross the skinny pink line, we switch to a bearish bias. But we're pretty oversold though, right? If you look back in the past, you will see that every time GALA drops, there will always be a sharp rally, right? Drop, rally, again, small little drop, rally again. At the same time, if you look very closely, there's a drop. Could there be a sharp rally coming on? Not too sure. We're just not too sure. So stay safe. GMT. Anything for GMT? No, GMT is also down. Clearly under the skinny pink line. Any signs of life? No. Any bullish reversal? No. GMT against USD. Anything for GMT, USD? No. Just like GALA. Right. Falling channel. Strong rally. Falling channel. Bro. Yeah, falling channel. Strong rally. Can you see this falling channel coming on? Yeah. Could this be a strong rally next? Every time we rally, right, we still come back down. So the skinny pink line will serve as a guide. Is the trend still bearish? Yes. So stay with a bearish bias for GMT. Super against BTC. Here we have a super. Okay, super is above the skinny pink line. Could we still go higher? Yes. How much higher? We'll probably clear these highs. Going into here. I mean, if we get a clear strong rally close to the highs over here, reconsolidate and continue higher for super. Right, that's a possibility. But as it stands, we're still not entirely sure. So again, we have to take things one step at a time for super against Bitcoin. Against USD, yeah, we're attempting to break higher though. Right, you can cut across and call this an inverse head and shoulders if you want to. But as it stands, yeah, we're not entirely sure. Right. Sure, we could still clear these highs here, but we are under the skinny pink line. We just broke back up, but is it sustainable? Not too sure. We're not too sure. Again, just be careful. There's a noisy area over here. We're almost hitting it. Or maybe after we hit the noisy area, there could be a small dip coming on, right? Or it could be a big dip. Again, we're still not entirely sure. The chart pattern just isn't really that clear for super. REEF. Okay, REEF has been going bananas for some time. Against BTC, look at this sharp recovery to the skinny pink line. And then there is a sell-off coming on for REEF against BTC. Against USD, REEF just hit the skinny pink line. Okay, let's look at it on... Is it KuCoin? XC has more information. Okay, KuCoin has more information. So let's just go back to MaxC. Let's just leave a note here. TA KuCoin. Why? Because it has more information. REEF USDT KuCoin. Yeah, we just hit the skinny pink line. Any signs of a continuation yet? Nope. Nope. Again, there's a noisy area over here. Look at this. We hit it, and we also hit the skinny pink line. Look at this. What a coincidence, right? What a coincidence. And yeah, there's a correction right now. Dropping to the small time frames, you'll see, ooh, this is scary shit. We're probably gonna take out these lows though. So yeah, I think there's still a little bit more downside clearing these lows. Where are we gonna stop? Again, noisy area over here. See that? So we might drop to this noisy area first before seeing some sort of a reversal. But at the same time, we could also drop all the way down here. So that's the danger. Right, you can go in, but you have to be observant and see whether if there's weakness, then probably will drop lower. If there is strength, probably will come back up. So if you want to go long, yeah, you gotta wait for things to drop. Right. This is actually a very nice shot, right? Look at this. Interesting stuff, huh? Let's read for you. Nakamoto games, NAKA against USD. We look at it on KuCoin. Ending for NAKA, yeah, we're clearly in bearish territory. Clearly under the skinny pink line. So if anything, we're anticipating more downside for Nakamoto games. There is a noisy area over here at around 50 cents, right? Around, yeah, 49 cents, I would say. And after that, there's another one over here. Right. That could bring us to 25 cents. 50 cents, and then half of it into 25 cents. Oh my god. So I'm assuming that eventually we'll get some sort of a bearish continuation chart pattern over here. Right, Nakamoto Games had a nice head and shoulders here. And we've already crossed it, right? Look at the right shoulder. Right on top of the skinny pink line. Right on top of it. Bam! Slice down. Right. We drop a little bit to this noisy area. Small one. There was a rally, again, towards the right shoulder. Then we continue lower. Again, noisy area. There's a pump harder. Pump high, bro. The noisy area over here. Look at this. Down. We're probably going to get some sort of a bearish continuation. Dropping lower to this level. That's where we're expecting Nakamoto games to go to. Around, yeah, sub 50 cents. And after that, probably another continuation down to sub 25 cents. You see that? Do you see that, boys and girls? Yeah, so I think that's what's going to happen for NAKA. So as it stands, yeah, we'll preach caution about rushing into a trade for NAKA towards the long side. Right? Even if it's for a short side, you still have to wait for things to rally. Right? We might even clear all of these clusters of highs, right, and form an even bigger bearish continuation chart pattern. Right? We might get an ascending though, a descending though. It depends. It depends. It's just, I would say, 30% complete. If you give it more time, we'll probably see more as time goes on for NAKA. Guild Games. YGG against BTC. YGG is again clearly under the skinny pink line. No signs of life yet. Yeah, we could get a very, very big accumulation and we could be busting back higher for YGG. Against USD, YGG is down. Yeah, no, it's not good. Under the skinny pink line. No signs of life. Again, I suspect we could be getting a descending triangle, maybe. Yeah, it's not good to me. If anything, I think we're going lower, right? Sure, we may rise higher. Play all these clusters of buys here. Everything, clear it. Pump, 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 pump. Back down. At a descending. I mean, of course, if we go higher, great, great. There's a possibility of a reversal, but the significant line will be significant resistance. So, yeah, I preach caution about YGG though. Saga is fairly new. Right. So I think it's safer to go long on Saga, but again, it looks like an accumulation. Right. Usually when the bearish trend ends, we go sideways for a while before going back up. At the same time, this consolidation, right, will more likely than not drop lower. Because if the preceding trend is bearish, the subsequent trend will more likely than not be bearish as well. This could be a reversal though, sure. But if it reverses back up, we will be waiting to re-enter over here. Because this is the noisy area. If it does drop back down, great, we're in. Bam, we take a ride up. Or there could be something along the way. You have to wait for the retrace first. So as it stands, nothing much for us for Saga BDC. Against USD, Saga is the same thing. Nothing much. So we're going to have to move on from Saga. Sandbox, Sand against BDC. Here we are for Sand. Anything for the Sandbox? No. I keep pulling in lower lows. Lower low, lower low. Are we going to get another lower low? Yeah. See, there's noisy area over here. Right. Probably. Noisy area. We hit it. Bounce. Again, very big noisy area. We hit the upper portion. There was a bounce. We hit the middle portion of it. There was a small little bounce. Lower portion, small little bounce. Drop even lower to this noisy area. Right. Again, see this middle portion? Bam! There's a bounce. Now we're dropping lower and lower. Right. There is a noisy area over here. Yeah, you can argue that it was a small little bounce, but eventually we are dropping lower. Right. So the next one is over here. After that, we'll probably clear these clusters of cells, dropping lower. It's not so strong over here. So, yeah, it's not looking good though. It's not looking good for Sand. Against USD, we are, again, under the significant line. Right. Just like the other coins that we saw in the beginning. Right. Falling channel, bam, rally. Falling channel, bam, rally. Falling channel, I suspect a rally is coming on. The rally is not too far away. Right. But we could be clearing these lows first though. Dropping to this noisy area. Right, you see this? Probably around 10 cents potentially. But this is a falling channel, so I will still expect a strong rally coming on first. So something like this, right? And we could drop lower. Something like this, we could still drop lower. So yeah, there could be a long trade in and out potentially for Sand. But as it stands, yeah, not too sure. So we're gonna have to proceed with caution. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10 gaming coins by volume. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.